Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I put on polygel nails with nail tips. This was my first time doing it, so it was a little different for me. And these nail tips that I got them at Target. They're Kiss and they suck, so I don't recommend them at all. So I just take my nail clipper and I clip the end of them. I really recommend a nail clipper like that. It's just easier to get there and it won't split the nail in half, the tip, because they're really soft and they kind of suck. So what I do is I just go ahead and file the tip to my liking, so I don't have to put polygel on and then file the polygel. It just make it like harder. So just go ahead and put the tip on, do your shape, and then put the polygel on. So one thing about this is Duoforms, it comes out already like smooth, and this one it doesn't. So like you have to really use some filing work after to make the top of the nail smooth and cohesive with the rest of the nail. And I'm just showing you the steps again with the tips. Like I said, they're not that great, but it got the job done and they're pretty sturdy. So hopefully they last about 2 weeks. I will let you guys know on my Instagram if they do. So I didn't have a gel polish that I like, so I went to Target and I got this Essie polish. I loved it because it's like super fall vibes going on. The only thing is with any of these nails, you just have to make sure you cap the ends. Right here it looks like I didn't cap the ends, but I did off camera just because I got a lot more things done off camera than on. That's why this video is so short, because it's really hard to film and do your nails at the same time. So I give nail artists and nail channels props for doing that. But yeah, so just cap the ends and, you know, clean up afterwards, and then yeah, your nail should look nice and pretty and shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some star little accents. These ones are not the best because they do, like, when you cure with the top coat, they kind of peel up. So they actually peeled off hours later. So just kind of keep that in mind. Do something that's like flat to the nail. The stars kind of just singed up under the UV light with the top coat. So just kind of keep that in mind. So there's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you want to know any of the products that I use, they are in my description box, and I will see you guys later.